Have you ever found yourself standing at a foreign ATM, heart pounding, wondering if your card is going to work? Well, today, we're going to answer that burning question. Do you need to activate your YouTrip card before using it overseas? Let's face it, traveling can be stressful enough without worrying about whether your payment methods will work. YouTrip is a popular choice for travelers due to its competitive exchange rates and low fees. But does it require any special activation before you can swipe and go? New card activation. If you've just received your YouTrip card, it's likely that you'll need to activate it before using it overseas. This activation process typically involves online registration, creating an account on the YouTrip app or website. Card verification, confirming your identity and card details. Setting a PIN, choosing a personal identification number for ATM withdrawals and in-store purchases. Once you've completed these steps, your card should be ready for international use. Existing card activation. If you've already been using your YouTrip card for domestic transactions, you might not need to take any additional steps to activate it for overseas use. However, it's always a good idea to check with YouTrip customer support to confirm. Tips for overseas use. Notify your bank. Inform your primary bank about your travel plans to avoid any potential issues with your account. Check your card limits. Ensure that your daily spending limit and withdrawal limit are sufficient for your travel needs. Be aware of fees. While YouTrip offers competitive rates, there may be additional fees associated with certain transactions, such as ATM withdrawals or currency conversions. Keep your card secure. Protect your card from theft or loss by keeping it in a safe place and using ATMs in well-lit areas. So, do you need to activate your YouTrip card for overseas use? The answer is generally yes, especially if you've just received a new card. However, it's always best to check with YouTrip customer support to confirm and ensure a smooth travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.